This is what the dogs were eating, people. This is a great holiday treat, a recipe that we make for our dogs so they can enjoy, get in on it. What does it consist of? Well, the innards of the turkey we bought, some green beans, carrots, some Cornish hens or some game hens work as well. Some pre-mixed kibble, pre-mixed with kibble pre-mixed with pumpkin, and some beef liver. Now the first thing you want to do is stuff your hen with the pre-mixed kibble. Now you want to soften the kibble up, trying to make it like the stuffing like us humans eat. Mix that with some pumpkin, wet that up, get it real nice and moist, leave that in the refrigerator for some time. You can make it softer, less kibble like, until it gets like, gritty or like actual stuffing, but that's completely up to you. Now you want to open those hens, get that meat, get that good protein out of the bags. All right, we're going to skip some of this. Empty all them extra juices out until you just have that meat. And then, as you see, is it's very open. All right, there's some room inside for some goodness. So let's make it happen. We're gonna start with our kibble stuffing. Now I will let you know, do your research on this. Some will say you shouldn't feed your dogs like raw meats and organs with kibble at the same time. Others do it and don't have issues with it. I do it frequently and don't see any issues from our dogs or complications. Especially nothing that they don't immediately get over. So you want to add those carrots, those pre-cut carrots, and then some green beans. So you want to cut up some of those, get them as small as you can, to make a lot of room for other stuff, as opposed to big carrots taking up a lot of room. Long green beans you can't figure out how to insert. Just chop it up. Just chop it up. And this is that beef liver. Now this is the organ meat that we chose. You can find whatever organ meats that are, or use whatever organ meats that are available to you. And then we repeat that process depending on how many dogs you have. Now this is just pouring more pumpkin over it because you know, a lot of it's been kind of soaked into the kibble. So this is just some drizzled on top so they can have that flavor. It's good for digestive health. And you know, we like condiments, right? We like saucing on our foods and dressings. So let's make those available to our dogs where we can. You know, instead of having them eat dry meat cereal all day, every day. Now we got two of the boys. You know, although they're very excited about the food, they can still maintain control of themselves. They can still pay attention, wait for my leadership, and using that moment as a working moment, or making them use their brains to get their food as opposed to me just pushing it into their faces. All right, people, this is just what we've done over the holidays for our dogs, for something different, something to eat. So we hope this video helps you in any type of way. Go experiment with your dog's food, add a little some to it to make them more excited about eating, increase that food drive, make them work for it.